Hello everyone, this video demonstrates how to seamlessly replace colors in a photo. We use Exposure's Advanced Color Editor, which provides a simple, intuitive way to replace colors. The editor builds on Exposure's 3D color masking features for precise control. We are using Exposure for the demonstration in this video. If you don't already own Exposure, you can download the free trial from our website. Select the Advanced Color Editor at the top of the Color panel. Define a color to replace with hue, saturation, and luminance dimensions. To define the hue, simply select a color in the image with the hue eyedropper, and then clean up the selection range with the corresponding handles. Once the Convert From Color selections are defined on the left of the panel, set the To Color with the controls on the right. For more details about using the controls on this panel for selecting color ranges, check out the Color Masking Deep Dive video on our website. The sliders refine the selection boundaries made with the eyedroppers. The top or inside set of handles on the sliders indicate the edge of the full value. The bottom or outer set of handles control the feathering between the inner edge and the unmasked area. The further the inner and outer handles are apart, the more gradual the edge of the mask will be. Mask visualization modes are helpful when adjusting the selection boundaries. View the current color selection with the Show Overlay checkbox. To make it easier to see the masked pixels, click the icon next to that checkbox and increase the mask's opacity, or select a different view. Mask-only view is great for cleaning up the hue properties of the selection boundaries. When adjusting the saturation controls, use the Visualize Saturation mode. When setting the luminance range, Luminance Visualization mode is helpful. For precise adjustments to each control, click the text field and enter a value manually. You can also use the up and down arrow keys to change the value. For a larger jump, use Shift and an arrow key. For a small jump, use Alt or Option and an arrow. Multiple color replacements can be performed in a single step. Simply click the plus button and then set the criteria to select and replace the color. Any color replacement settings you make can be saved as a preset to reuse in future edits. Seamlessly replacing colors is another way Exposure enables you to access powerful creative editing capabilities in a streamlined workflow. And that concludes our lesson on replacing colors in images. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Exposure, head over to our website. While you're there, download the free trial. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube to receive updates about our latest videos.